All for the gram. Love the gram.
Oh, wait.
Don't need no breaks.
Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Damn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm a though, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne.
What's up mga kapatid? What? Kulang kami ng dalawa kasi hindi sila nakatira dito. Ang gagawin naming vlog ngayon ay mukbang challenge. Popcorn and flakes. So, let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Crispy. Ilok. Bokag ilok. Ang nagdandaw kay Bog Ilok. Ngayon. Sumali po yung kapatid ko dahil kakain po siya. Gisi yan sa nina, oh. Ay, yan na lang ni Barbie lang. Gising sa nina, gising. Gising sa nina. Pagdarong magdaraoy. Di siya may, oy, may tumatabang sa amin. Tumatabang. Kaya nga. Popcorn. Wala na po akong laman. Flex. Mahurot na lang ni Ruby. I just wanna flex. Ito, grabe. Really, guys. Ayun, guys. Shout out, guys. Shout out, guys. Sorry, guys. Di pa siya kamalungan. Merong in-check dito. Na-in-check.
No.
Sumali po sila kasi mga pati ko. Yan, dalawa.
Ito ang popcorn.
One shot, one kill. Kapit na mahurot. Kitabangan. I just wanna play. Buot ba ay? Buot ka ay? Ano buot yun?
It was at this moment that
Ito
he
po ang
knew
aming
he fucked up.
Mama nako.
mama namin. Magkapatid kami.
Magkakando. No more! Yeah. Ay, ang popcorn.
His name is John C.
So thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell para ma-update naman kayo and like.
Let's go.
Hello from above.